SDK.finance. Creating a new Gate Manager module. We're going to create a new Gate Manager module. First, in the dashboard via the admin panel, we can see the existing mpgs top-up. We'll start by making a copy of the mpgs-gate controller module. Let's name the copy mpgs-second. In the pom.xml, update the module name to pgs-second. Next, inside the module form, rename the project identifier to match pgs-second. In the root pom.xml, include only the Gate Manager module, without adding other dependencies for now. Then, go to Application and update it for the new module mpgs-second. After that, rename mpgs-second to simply Gate Manager. Next, go to the Application module under pgs-gate and make sure you update references in def, test, and all other profiles. Now return to the pgs-second module. Refactor the module and rename pgs-second to Gate Manager. Don't forget to add this new module to your project. Inside pgs-second, rename the main class accordingly. Use the refactor tool to ensure the class name and paths are updated. You also need to change the class path from mpgs top-up to reflect the new structure. Also rename the settings. Also, rename integrations mpgs-second to match the updated mpgs-second naming pattern. Okay, we have a different package. mpgs-second hosted checkout services import. mpgs and create request and import data session. At this stage, we've successfully created the new Gate Manager controller. Just 1 second. Okay, fields, that's it. And we should compile. At this stage, we've successfully created the new Gate Manager controller. The main things that add a new Gate Manager, we should create a new module in Gate Controller. This Gate Controller should have a unique name of the component because it's a bean. Next, we should add the class path to this new component, name, provider ID, and then add all dependencies to this module in pom.xml in Gate Controllers. It's a new line module. Next, in pom.xml root, in the root of the project. Next, in the application.pom. And also, we should rename the configuration file and use it to set up configuration in the profile, configuration profile. That's it. Our project is built, and now we should launch. Okay, some problems. We have to rename this class also because it's a component. mpgs-second. We have changes in the application.pom. In the form of gate controllers, create a new module with a new name for the configuration file, with a new class path to the new gate manager. Also, we have an artifact ID, it's a different name because it's a different module in the SDK. We also have a new dependency. And that's it. Our application has started. The system is ready to serve requests. We don't see anything because we should update the version of the system initializer, an incremental version. This parameter should be increment to initialize new features which you added to the project. Version is updated. Waiting for initialization. OK. The system is ready to serve requests. You can see it appeared in mpgs-second top-up gate manager. That's it.